and welcome to this short video on how to support your child complete their Sparx Reader homework. All students are set weekly Sparx Reader homework in order to help them improve their reading skills, which will help them be successful not only in English but also all of their other subjects. Students can log into Sparx Reader with their Microsoft account as seen on the screen here. When students log into their Sparx Reader account, they will see their current task, which they will click on to start reading. Students will be given a section of the text to read and then some multiple choice questions based on that section of the text. If students struggle to read from the screen, they can edit their settings by clicking on the menu on the top right hand side and clicking on settings. And on this page they can then make some changes to the format of the screen. So they can make the text bigger, they can make the line height bigger, they could change the background colour of the screen, and they can also give themselves a reading guide. So this will help them to track as they're reading through their story. If students get the correct answers when they are answering these questions based on the section of text they have read, they will earn SRP, which is Sparx Reader points, and this will contribute to their weekly task. If the student gets a question incorrect, they will have another opportunity to answer the question again, and if they continue to get it wrong, they will be asked to go back to the beginning and reread that section of the text. Once the students have achieved their weekly amount of points and their task is completed, there will be a green circle here which will say 100% in the middle of it. If students choose to, they can continue to read and earn extra points. We have a weekly competition where students will earn postcards if they are in the top 3 in the year group or their class for the most amount of Sparx points. Students have a range of books to read from. On the library section of the page, they can select different genres of books that they are interested in, and they can choose a book that they would like to read. So for example, if I wasn't enjoying this book on Sherlock Holmes, I could choose a new book and I could look down the list to select a new book. If I wasn't really interested in some of the books that are listed, I could click Not For Me. You get an option to do this 3 times a week. So you can see here it says I only have 1 time left for me to change it. So I might say, no, this is not something that I'm interested in, show me another book. But then this one might be something that I'm interested in, so I would choose this book to read, and I could click Start Reading. It would then take me to that new book, and I could continue to read and then earn SRP. Students can also use the leaderboard on their homepage to track the points that they have earned and to see in comparison to the other students in the year group. If a student needs support with their Sparx Reader homework, they can attend their weekly year group homework club, or they can come and speak to their English teacher at break time and lunchtime. I hope this video is helpful. If you do have any questions about Sparx Reader, please do feel free to get in touch.